Now, if you test positive COVID-19, how do you know which variant has infected you? Traditional antigen and RT-PCR tests are unable to pick up the S gene dropout, which is a key indicator of Omicron. For now, genome sequencing is the only way to detect the Omicron variant. The ICMR now has approved testing kits that will reduce the burden on genome sequencing. Milan Sharma with this very special report.
If you catch COVID, chances are you will not get to know which variant infected you. This is because genome sequencing is conducted on only 5% COVID-positive samples. To ease the trouble and reduce the burden on genome sequencing, the Indian Council of Medical Research has validated a new kit, OmiSure. It's a COVID test kit made by Tata Medical and Diagnostics Limited. This RT-PCR kit amplifies RNA in a virus to detect the genetic material. When the test detects the presence of other genes of the SARS-CoV-2 virus but fails to detect the S gene, it is considered indicative of Omicron infection. S gene dropout is a trait associated with Omicron.
It's very difficult to comment a patient who is COVID positive, whether it's an Omicron or something else, because we don't have that kit. It is something known as S gene target failure detecting kit. That is being imported by the government, and very soon it will be available as a dual PCR. At the first PCR, you detect it's a COVID. The second PCR, you detect that we are not able to detect S gene. So likely this may be Omicron. So need not to send a sample for gene testing and for the particular strain. So this is an indirect way to detect this is a Omicron or is it Delta or something else.
The ICMR has also created another COVID test kit, but it has failed to find interest among manufacturers. The only kit approved by the World Health Organization is TaqPath RT-PCR kit, made by US-based Thermo Fisher Scientific.
Fortunately, we did not have an Indian RT-PCR kit till now that could detect the Omicron variant. We had to depend on the imported TaqPath kit, which was made by Thermo Fisher of the United States of America. But ICMR, in association with Tata Medical Diagnostics, has now made the OmiSure kit, which is made in India, and it will be able to detect the BA1 variant of Omicron by the SGTF or the S gene targeted failure technology.
The Alpha or B117 variant 2 sees S gene dropout, but its circulation is low in India. When S gene is not detected in the virus, it is considered to be Omicron. But genomic sequencing may still not lose its relevance. The S gene dropout is not being detected in a variant of the Omicron lineage, BA2, which has seen further mutations.
Why is it important to know which variant you're infected with, so that you can move forward to an appropriate line of treatment? If it's Omicron, then monoclonal antibodies don't work on such people. And also after 5 days, you will turn asymptomatic. But if it's Delta, then it can cause COVID-induced pneumonia in the lungs, and you can need oxygen. Only an S gene failure target test will help determine which variant it is. With Pawan Kumar in New Delhi, Milan Sharma for India Today.